In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type on a path in Affinity Designer. If you've ever wanted your words to follow a circle, wave, or any custom curve, typing on a path is the feature that makes it happen. We'll keep it simple so you can use it in logos, badges, and headings with professional results. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Make sure you're in the document where you want to place the text and that you can see the path you'd like to use. This can be a circle, a line, or any curve you've already drawn. Having it visible on your canvas will make the next steps effortless. Next, look to the tools along the left edge and choose the Artistic Text tool. This is the tool designed for headlines and decorative type, and it's the one that attaches text to shapes. It's different from the Frame Text tool, which is better for paragraphs, so stick with Artistic Text here. Now zoom in so you can clearly target the path. Precise placement matters, especially on thin strokes. Move your cursor directly over the outline of the circle or curve. Aim for the actual line, not the empty space inside it. As you hover the tool over the path, watch the cursor closely. It changes into a T with a small curved line beneath it. That icon is your confirmation that Affinity Designer is ready to put your text onto the path rather than onto the canvas. Click once on the path and start typing. Your characters will immediately follow the curve, flowing along the direction of the path. If the text seems to run the opposite way or wraps in an unexpected position, don't worry. You'll adjust that in a moment. With the text selected, customize it to match your design. Choose your font and weight, tweak the size for readability, and adjust tracking or kerning to space letters evenly around tight bends. Use baseline shift if you need the letters to sit slightly above or below the path. You can also drag the start and end handles that appear on the path to reposition where the text begins, rotate it around a circle, or flip it to the inside or outside edge for the look you want. Keep an eye on spacing as you go to avoid overlaps, especially on small circles. And that's all it takes to type on a path in Affinity Designer. Open the app, pick the Artistic Text tool, hover until you see the curved T, click and type, then refine styling and position. Try it on circles, waves, and shapes to bring your typography to life.